Hello, generally we will be introducing cryptocurrency. What actually is cryptocurrency? First of all, we will look at what currency is. Currency is any asset that acts as a medium of exchange or transaction. Before cash, we had barter or trade by barter, which was the exchange of one good with another. Cash, also called fiat, like the dollar, pounds, euro, etc., is mainly a physical paper or coins, which is an asset that stores value and used as a medium of exchange. So now when we talk about cryptocurrency, we are referring to digital assets that are stored cryptographically and used as a medium of exchange in business transactions. So when you compare cryptocurrency and cash stores value in the form of physical paper or coins. Now, but cryptocurrency stores value in a digital way. The influence of blockchain brought about this cryptocurrency. The innovation of cryptocurrency is brought by blockchain, which is a distributed ledger secured using cryptography. Cryptography, on the other hand, is used in the maintenance of security of a transaction and controls the creation of other currency coins or tokens. So when you talk about blockchain brought about cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is maintained using what we call cryptography. So that's the overview on introduction of what cryptocurrency actually is.